All right, hey everyone. So welcome to our introduction to Git and GitHub. So the purpose of this video is just to provide a really short overview of the purpose of it, but it'll be very quick. We'll get way more into that later. Git and GitHub will allow us to have some version control. And so what that really means is that you might be working on a project, and if you want to go back to like an older version of your project that isn't messed up, or go back to another version for whatever reason, using Git and GitHub is one way to allow you to do that. And so that's one major purpose of us using it, is that version control. A second major purpose is to allow collaboration a little bit more easily for certain projects. So you might have figured out that emailing code back and forth between someone isn't really convenient, like at all. It's pretty horrible. And so Git will allow you to overcome that to a certain extent. A third kind of minor purpose is that it's also a nice way to kind of show your work, since it's so popular in the data science community. Most, if not everyone, is at least kind of familiar with navigating GitHub in particular, and so it's a way to make your work public and easy to access for other people. So that all being said, will it be painful? Yes, it probably will. So just kind of gear up for that. It's not something that is particularly easy to learn. But will it be worth it? Probably. We'll see. I'm hopeful that it will be worth it, in the end, especially given the fact that we're starting so early. So we'll be able to use it for a lot of the semester. Okay, but gear up. Should be interesting getting started with this, getting started with Git and GitHub. The one thing that I'll say is that if you get an error or you get stuck at any point, definitely contact me right away. And we'll probably have to meet in person. It's not the type of thing that's kind of easy to fix over email. And it's not the type of thing that I would want you spending hours on trying to fix on your own. So if you get an error, I would maybe, spend a few minutes, see if you can figure it out. If you can't, no worries, just email me. We'll get it sorted at some point in person. Okay, let's go.